On behalf of our beloved Mayor, Jerry P. Tranyas, represented today by my colleague, Lenny Ledesma, we would like to express our warmest Ilonggo greetings to all of you. We are happy to be here, to be among our colleagues in the network, and to finally meet the cities of gastronomy all over the world. We carry with us today the pride of being the first city of gastronomy in the Philippines, the third UCCN member in our country, and the hearts of generations of Ilonggo families who have built the city to what it is today. So we are at the heart of the Philippines. That's Panay Island. We are a first-class, highly urbanized city in the Western Visayas region. We have 7 districts composed of 180 barangays. That's the smallest unit of local government in the Philippines. And we have nearly half a million residents. But we have a daytime population, being the regional center in our region. We have a daytime population of approximately 700,000. So that's still additional food requirement for us. We are a heritage city in the Philippines. We have 250 heritage structure sites, monuments, and 23 of those have historical markers from the National Heritage Commission. So it is but a transition for us. It makes sense for us to apply to become a UCCN member, to preserve our cultural heritage, develop our economy, hone local talents, cultivate sense of pride, collaborate with creative cities around the world. Iloilo City has laid the groundwork. It's supposed to show you some of our food. It has laid the groundwork through innovation for where food residents enjoy abundance. Now we source our food from neighboring provinces, and we cater to the suppliers, and I think we relate much to what has been discussed this morning and the importance of uplifting farmers, stakeholders around our community. The city of gastronomy, we have evolved from an agriculture settlement to a bountiful, with bountiful raw food materials to a highly urbanized city. We get our food from upland, sourced from upland and mountains, lowlands, hinterlands, rivers, and coastal areas. So those are some of the examples of the dishes that are being prepared in several areas in our region. Our culinary signature, if you will, we have fresh ingredients. We have the availability of abundant ingredients, which allow variety of dishes. Food entails simple preparation. We have rice-based. I think we had sampled some of the fare here during the break with sugar and coconut. But essentially, food is our love language in families. So we demonstrate love for our family members and our community by coming together with food. So aside from our local restaurants, we are proud of our public markets. We have diverse restaurants, bakeries, cafes, eateries, and restaurants. But more than that, we have an online community that share stories on where to source new food, or newly opened restaurants, information about coffee. We have a very active coffee community. And more than that, the city government has initiatives towards uplifting or sharing capacities of our local stakeholders, even those deprived of liberty. We have programs for out-of-school youth, unemployed housewives, and the PDL. And more than that, we expand our capacity development trainings to public market vendors and street food vendors, for they too are gatekeepers of our gastronomy in Iloilo. This is a sample of a program that is being implemented now by the city government under the Urban Agriculture Program. This is a work of several offices and departments, which seeks to address the production, the value chain of agriculture, but driven by policy, people, and partnership to impact knowledge transfer, social welfare, the environment, building resilience, economic development, and address issues on health and nutrition. Just to share, I think we have shared this in the, in the sessions yesterday, the Filipino Food Month activities that we have. We partnered with several universities.
This week of activities is a reminder.
This is an example of a program that the universities themselves suggested to us, and we did, and tackling several issues on technology, food waste, indigenous ingredients, and the like. No, so we had 3 days at the mall, and it was fun seeing the students interact with mall goers. We had culinary demonstrations and several cultural presentations. So we're lucky to have experts in the industry come and speak to our guests. So I leave you with, I think that there's a strong advocacy on inclusivity and resilience, being able to create spaces where people can come together. It's important for us to build partnerships in these areas, and how this weaves through our heritage initiatives in the city. And I think one of the success factors that we have in the city over the years is having a visionary leader. And as the first city of gastronomy in the Philippines, I think we are well positioned to continue with this urban success and serve as model for replication throughout the Philippines. So I end my presentation with this video that we submitted in our bid to become UCCN. So.
For the Filipinos, fiesta is a way of life. And for us in Iloilo City, fiesta always means food, family, community, local traditions, and indigenous roots. It is about memory keeping and creating new ones, all on the same table. This is the gastronomy of Iloilo City.
Ang fiesta, tiyempo para sa pamilya. Bisan diin man sila, mapauli gid kay fiesta. Kag magluto gid ako sa ila mga paborito nga pagkaon. Pansit molo sang ako abuela, adobado sang ako nanay, batsoy sang akon mga kaluluhan nga paborito gid sang akon apo nga mapuli gikan sa Manila. Siyempre, ang KBL sang akon lola. Ini nga mga pagkaon nga mga panublion sa pila ka henerasyon nga gintudlo man sang akon Iloy.
Ang mga Ilonggo gusto ang sinugpa. Bisan ano nga sulugpahon ang pagluto, perfecto gid.
Hi, Ma! Kamusta? May dala ako din nga kakanin subong. Mugin among na specialty, Ma.
Ang mga Ilonggo, madamo ang mga kalanumon, mga tipas, puno sa mga pangyamis para ang lamesa masadya kag maduagon. Para sa akon, ang akon Iloy, ang manamit gid magluto mga dulce kalanumon. Manamit gid, makonsuelo, kag nagapasadya sa tanan. Ang mga pagkaon nga karaan, nagahatag sa amon pala nga buhian, sa amon pamilya, pero labi na sa tanan, ginaambit namon sa komunidad kag iya katawhan.
Bisan ari kami sa syudad,
may ara kami talamnan sa likod sang amon panimalay. May mga tanom kami nga prutas kag utan. Ang bugana sa preska nga ani namon, ginaambit sa ila kag sa amon pamilya. Ginapalibutan sa mga bukid, kapatagan, suba kag kadagatan. Ang syudad sang Iloilo bugana gid sa patubas. Amo nga mas maayo ang pangabuhi diri.
Ang pagkaon sagana sa Iloilo. Ang piyesta nagapamatuod, pinapakita ang mudos nga bugana kada adlaw-adlaw sa amon komunidad, sa amon yuhom, sa amon mga lugar, ag labi na sa amon mga relasyon. Siyempre, sa amon gid pagkaon. Maula, yung gidyagyapon ng luto mo, ma. Namit.
Nagtatrabaho ako sa gwa sa syudad sang Iloilo. Bisan okupado sa trabaho, mapauli gid kay piyesta para upod sa pamilya. Masadya gid ang tiyempo sang piyesta. Kompleto ang pamilya, pag-aragin ang pinakapaborito namon nga pagkaon. Ang piyesta, oras para maugyon upod ang amon mga pinalangga. Ang piyesta, permigi ginahanduraw sa kabatanon sa kada isa.
Ang akon kasing-kasing nagapasalamat gid sa tanan nga nagpuli para sa pamilya. Sa bugana sang pagkaon, sa tiyempo fiesta amo nga ini nangin posible gid. Kada fiesta, ginaulikid ko ang sang huben pa ako. Nadumduman ko ang akon ginikanan. Akon lolo kag lola, kag mga paryentes nga mga kari sa fiesta, pati tanan nga gusto mag-ambit sang pagkaon sa lamesa. Bisan sa madumduman namon ang amon mga gintalikdan, ara man sila sa gihapon. Sa amon pagkaon, ginpreparar ang ilahan dumanan na mapreserbar para nagakabuhi sila sa amon ikabuturan hasta sa buwas damlag sang amon mga kabataan.
Fiesta is our way of life. It is in our food. In every meal we thoughtfully and lovingly prepare and share with friends, family, and loved ones, and everyone in the community. The future of Iloilo City's culinary heritage transcends beyond its gastronomic genius and traditions. It encompasses all our cultural sensibilities and aspirations. It is our collective vision, ever evolving towards a sustainable and creative economy. In our bid to join UNESCO's Creative Cities Network, we are bringing our roots, our sense of adventure, to explore new routes to the table, in which we humbly invite you to partake.
Thank you very much.
A big round applause to Philippine Iloilo! So, your presentation make us heal again.